AI can deliver big wins for your business, efficiency, time savings, and innovation, but only if it's implemented thoughtfully. It's not a plug-and-play tool. Think of it like adding a new team member. To succeed, it needs clear goals, reliable data, and strong security rules. In this video, we'll show the hidden risks of DIY AI, why handling it alone is challenging, and how the right IT partner can protect your business and help it grow safely. DIY AI happens when tools are adopted without a clear plan, oversight, or governance. Without safeguards, sensitive data can slip into the wrong hands, misconfigurations can create security gaps, and investments may fail to deliver results. A technology partner like Consensus Technologies ensures AI is implemented safely and effectively. Clear goals, secure access, integrated workflows, and ongoing monitoring keep systems productive and scalable while avoiding the risks of going it alone. AI isn't a passing trend. It's becoming a permanent part of business. To start your AI journey with confidence and build a foundation that supports secure, scalable growth, contact Consensus Technologies today.